I'm Roddy Connor. I'm a product support specialist here at Kirby-Smith, and the undercarriage is one of the most important parts of the machine. The main components of the undercarriage include the tracks, top and bottom rollers, idlers, and the sprocket segments. One of the most important walk-around inspection items for the operator is to check your track tension. You don't want your tracks to be too loose. That should be one of your daily, if not twice daily, checks that the operator needs to do to maintain proper track tension. Cleaning the tracks out. If mud and debris is packed up in the track, that will shorten the undercarriage life. Vibrations and odd noises, skipping and banging coming from the undercarriage is typically an indication that there's some kind of failure to the operator. Stop the machine immediately. You should get a hold of your dealer, your product support representative. We'll take it from there. Provide advice or solutions. You've got two sides to the machine. Both sides should be the same. So if you have something that's out of place from one side to the next, that would be cause for concern. One thing that I do for my customers is I come out and do a scheduled track inspection. I take measurements on all the components, and through consistency with the measurements and intervals, typically I can project failure points. I typically recommend every 500 hours for bulldozers. Excavators, I usually push those out to about 1,000 hours.